If the all-wheel drive system isn't working properly in your Kia Sportage, one of the first things you should check is the fuse. The all-wheel drive ECM fuse is located in the passenger compartment fuse box. Look at the dashboard under the steering wheel. Near the driver's door, you will find the fuse box cover. Grab the handle and pull out the cover. On the back of the cover, you will find a fuse diagram. Find the fuse that has an all-wheel drive symbol. Look at the rightmost column. It's the second last fuse. There will be this yellow 20 amp fuse in the fuse box. If you have a test light, you can test the fuse without pulling it out. First, turn on the ignition to power up the fuse box. Now grab the alligator clip and attach it to a good ground point like a bare metal bolt. Then touch the probe to both the small exposed metal tabs on top of the fuse. If the test light turns on at both ends, the fuse is good and power is flowing through it. But if the light only comes on at one end, the fuse is blown and needs to be replaced. If you don't have a test light, then you will have to give it a visual inspection. Use a fuse puller or needle nose pliers to pull out the fuse. Hold it against a light and check if the metal strip inside is broken. If it is broken, the fuse is blown and needs replacing. Here is an example of a blown fuse. Notice the internal metal link is visibly broken, showing a gap instead of a continuous strip. If the fuse is blown, replace it with a new 20 amp fuse. You can find spare fuses in the engine compartment fuse box. After replacing the fuse, check if your all-wheel drive system is back online. If this video is helpful, give it a like and consider subscribing to VChannel for more automotive tips. Thanks for watching.